Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about Aitx. They did come out with an update yesterday. I missed it, but here we are. Either way, new and expansion opportunities from security trade show approaches 1,000 units. I told you guys we would keep seeing. Look at that, 7.69% up on the day. I don't know if that's been updated. Let me check here. Is it actually up to? Yeah, it's at 0028. Slowly stair stepping higher and higher. 1,000 isn't nothing. That PR that PR it's nothing. 1,000 that's nothing. There's companies that get tens of thousands of units, but we'll get there eventually. I'm sure. That's just how it is, right? We all know it takes time for a business to grow, and we're seeing a couple units here and there, but eventually, I do believe we'll be seeing thousands of units. And look, opportunities are there. I think we will get our explosion. I'm not gonna say soon. When are the next quarterlies? Because that's like going to be the opportunity. If Qs come out better than expected, then I could see a pop. Maybe not a huge run. A huge run would require some kind of catalyst, like a pretty major catalyst, some pretty big news. It's nice to see it move. I mean, it's just been hovering at 00252426 for like the longest time. It's slowly. We know it's bottomed out. So if you haven't bought in when I told you, I don't know what to tell you. Like, this is the one you want to load. You want to load it up right now. This is it. Not at 1 penny, not at 2 cents, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know a lot of people average down from like 25 cents. Fortunately for me, I waited until it got to a bottom. So here we are. I'm already loaded. I'm just waiting. But it's nice to see this. We're slowly seeing more and more buying coming in. What we need is a bigger catalyst, though, that sends it. Look, 7%, just like that, that's nothing. Just you wait. One day you're going to wake up and you're going to be like, oh my God, it's up another 300%. What? It'll go back up to 004, 006. I'm sure of it. It's just going to take time. It takes like almost an entire year for it to get its run. Following the successful event, RAD is thrilled to announce a wave of expansion opportunities and prospective contracts, illuminating a path towards extraordinary market penetration and influence across a diverse array of sectors. We go into every trade show with great optimism, but this ISC West surpasses all previous show appearances. The confidence that the entire RAD team projected was well received by the clients and prospects we met with. From all accounts, the RAD sales funnel is swiftly flowing with these opportunities nearing the goal line of increased RMR and potential cash flow positivity, which I'm sure they will meet. I think I remember saying that Steve Reinhardt, he likes to lowball the numbers so that people, get surprised, like, oh my God, they exceeded their expectations, but they keep the expectations low. I think the RMR, we're gonna far surpass that, in my opinion. High demand for Rosa, interest in Rio, consistent market penetration AVA. A Fortune 100 provider of diagnostic equipment has specified 120 units in phase 1. Okay. Yeah, we know they're going into the healthcare market, so I'm not going to get too much into that. A nationwide operator of specialty shopping malls is expected to place 22 Rio units on order for an initial deployment with the possibility of expanding to 480 units across 40 locations. I'm surprised we didn't move a little more. Are we still? Where is it? Aitx. Are we still? Yeah, look, 7%. I'll take it, but I'm not trying to flip it for 7%. A Fortune 250 auto reseller, a nationwide top 25 healthcare provider, and a Fortune 500 logistics and supply chain company has expressed interest in as many as 50 Rio plus 50 Tom devices. You better get in soon, like while it's still under 003, because when this thing goes to a penny, a lot of people are going to be kicking themselves, especially because it is at the bottom. And let me look at the yearly chart. Ooh, even last year, people. Oh, That sucks. That sucks for the people holding the bag because the people holding the bag on AATX, they really have to pray that it comes up to like 4 cents, 5, 6, 7, wherever they're bagged at. Whereas because we look at that, it's moving up to 0029. We might see 003. I do remember that AITX, for some reason, AITX, when they come out with some decent PR, sometimes it takes people like a day or two to really digest the information. So, we might see a pop towards the end of the day or tomorrow. But either way, I think it's like get in if you're not in it. If you're in it, just continue to hold. We're not flipping it for 9% or 11%. We want 100% minimum. Minimum 100%. That's my game plan. That is it for the video, guys. I will see you in the next one.